Here's the situation. I went on eBay and I bought a generic 12-volt Milwaukee 4.0. It's not the real thing, but I wanted to see how well it did. Here's what happened. So I started off with the Fuel stubby, and I removed 9 bolts from a head gasket on a tractor. You know, as one does. Next, we went over and started cutting. And this is really important because this is going to hold my prime weld TIG welder. And as you can see, look, I had a lot of cutting to do. There was a lot of cutting involved, and I'm honestly really impressed at how well this thing did. And then after the cutting, well, it was time for some grinding. So I've got this nice little grinding kit off of Amazon, and got some sandpaper on there, and I'm grinding along the edges just to make sure that I'm not going to stab myself. Look how I rolled them over. It was really cool. So it's a nice curled over edge, and now I'm just going through and grinding it to make sure there's no sharp pieces. And it just keeps going. And again, like, I was kind of worried when I bought this thing because I thought that maybe this would just give up right away. But as long as I kept a little bit of time in between, I just put on a new tool, it did great. Now look, we're going again. We're going to really get into it. It's time to cut. I've got another big piece, and I haven't changed the battery. I haven't charged it. I haven't done anything. I've just swapped it between tools. And here we're going again. And we keep going. We just keep cutting. I'm showing you this in real time, but I'll go ahead and speed it up here in a little bit. But, you know, it wasn't the fastest thing, and I'm not 100% sure that my Milwaukee 4.0 battery, which I've just ordered, and I'll get in pretty soon, we'll test it out. I'm not sure if that's going to do better, but this guy's doing okay. So this is my speed. This is about as fast as I could go, but I'm not sure I could actually go any faster. Now, look, you can see my dog back there. He's kind of checking it out. And look, I want to be really clear here. My dog was not hurt. He just came around that corner and saw the sparks and kind of was like, whoa, wait a minute. That's not great. But he was nowhere near it. He was about 5 feet away. No matter what the camera looks like, he was nowhere near the sparks. And so he takes a little bit of a healthy background, and then he can pass. All right. But look, so here's sped up. Lots of cutting. Again, I haven't charged the battery. And it's going great. Look at this. It's just cutting all this metal. And then some more sanding, make sure we get those edges because we don't want sharp edges. It's going great. Like, all the edges are going well. Again, this battery is doing all right. It's not bad. It's better than the 2.0s, I think. The Milwaukee 2.0s that all the kits came with. But look, we're still at half. We're still going. All right. This attachment is cool. I didn't use it for very long, but this attachment is neat. There's that Vanon. So this is what I ordered from eBay. It's a Vanon 12-volt 4.0, 48 watt hour. I'll put the link in the description to the guys I ordered it from. But, you know, it's holding up. I'm impressed. Finally here, look. This is kind of at the end. We've been cutting for quite a while. Like, it feels like a while, especially if you've been the guy sitting there operating the cutter. And I really like this brushless fuel cutter. This is great. It's a little bit better, in my opinion, than using a grinder. And right here, this guy, the battery starts to wear down, but we've been using it a lot by now. Again, we haven't charged it. This is all from the same charge.
Poor thing's getting tired. Still on the same one, though. It's kind of amazing. We've done a lot with this, so we'll see if we can plow through, but I don't know.
Yeah, our physics is really catching up to us. Like, you can see it just starting to cut out here. I'm not letting go of the trigger. It's just cutting out. But look, that grinder wheel is a lot smaller than it used to be. It's getting real short compared to where it used to be on terms of radius.
Sometimes the trigger pull isn't doing anything anymore. Can she do it? It's just like an inch. It's not much. Oh, so close. I think we got it. That's it. She did it.